Hi everyone! Welcome to another Chocolate Tuesdays episode. Today we're going to try Tokyo Banana KitKat. The box design looks exactly like the Tokyo Banana box. The colors, the shades, except for of course the KitKat logo, and have a KitKat. So let's try opening this beautiful box. I ruined the box. Now let's see what's inside. Again, all individually wrapped, and they're so beautiful. I think it's a lovely yellow color. As always, Japanese packaging never fails to look pretty. There is a message space, so you can write here a message using a Sharpie to a friend, to someone you like, or to someone you just want to cheer up or wish good luck. Yeah, it's a good luck chocolate. Here in Japan, Kit Kats are actually good luck chocolates. So they're usually given to students who are about to take university entrance exams. Let's open one. I like the banana with ribbon. It's so cute. It says Tokyo Banana KitKat. Oops. Itadakimasu. It's okay. I really like Tokyo Banana and I really like Kit Kat, but I think combining them is not really a good idea. It has a very artificial banana taste, which I don't like. I love Tokyo Banana and milk chocolate Kit Kat, but separately. So I'll give it 3 out of 5. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye!